Listen up, guys and girls. Most of you are missing out on an extremely valuable piece of information on each and every one of your YouTube videos that will not only boost the quality of your content in your videos, but will also give you a boost in your wallet. Okay, so I've only been posting on here for a couple of months now and I'm already seeing the money come in.
Oh, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh.
Now most of you might be thinking, Sean, don't you need 1,000 subscribers before you become monetized on YouTube? I don't know, I'm not going to hit 1,000 subscribers until right after this video is posted. So remember to hit that subscribe button. The real answer though is that you can make money on YouTube without getting paid by YouTube, and it is so easy. And by the way, if I didn't mention this, it's not just about making money. This method will provide your audience with some valuable information that they will probably need, while simultaneously bringing in a little commission for yourself. So now I'm going to tell you what it is. While building this channel, I've been networking with quite a few of you and watching all of your amazing videos, and many times I'm genuinely curious about what tool or product or other item you are using in your actual video. Now, when you don't explain what the tool is in your video because it's probably something that you use every single day and so you're accustomed to it, someone like me has no idea what it is, or we want to know what the exact model is. So what I'll do is go check the video description to see what it is, and most of the time you don't have it in there. Let me tell you why this is a huge problem. This is an example of one of my video descriptions. Now some of y'all have way better descriptions than I have, but y'all are lacking these links. These product links will direct the viewer to products that I used in the video or other relevant products that someone would use when working on a similar project. Now you can kind of see where this link is going to go before even clicking on it. It kind of says Amazon there, which is great. People trust Amazon, I trust Amazon, so it's a welcoming link. This link is also called an affiliate link. On Amazon, I have set up a free Amazon affiliate account where you can then grab links to products and then put them onto your channel or onto your website or wherever you are hosting your business. On Amazon, I have set up a free Amazon affiliate account where you can then link your website or your YouTube channel and then post links to specific items within your website or YouTube channel. Now look what happens when I click this link. It takes me to a product page that has all the information someone could possibly want about a certain product that they saw in my video without me having to write a single thing except for copying the link and pasting it into my description. And you know what else? Amazon will pay you, the affiliate, every time someone clicks on one of your links and buys anything on Amazon within a 24-hour period. But wait, there is more. You get commission on the entire Amazon cart, so it doesn't matter if the person bought your item or if they bought another item on Amazon, or if they bought your item and then attached other items to that item on Amazon. So for instance, I had somebody on my cart video click the link, they bought their own kayak cart. They didn't buy the kayak cart that I made. They bought their own and then bought some waterproof cases for their phone. They brought some lanyard and even a fishing net, and I got commission on all of it. And the best part, the customer is not getting charged a cent more for going through your links. So if you're looking at buying anything right now and you want to support this channel, click on one of the Amazon affiliate links down below, go on a shopping spree, do what you gotta do. I really appreciate it. Otherwise, a click of the subscribe button will be just as good too. Now I know this sounds amazing, right? So go out there and be a multi-millionaire overnight just like me.
Ice cream. House.
Stop. That's not real. Everything else I said in this video is real, but let me drop a little reality on you real quick. So here's what we're looking at for context. I have about 90 subscribers as of right now. I post about once a week and I've been doing this for just over 2 months. So some of y'all are way ahead of the game than I am there, so just keep that in mind when putting this together. I am only pulling in about $10 a week right now, but that number is steadily starting to grow week after week. As my account snowballs, the content and the clicks on my links will too. That's just the YouTube game. Again, remember to subscribe. So now you know how to go out there and add some value to your net worth, as well as adding value to the content you're creating, however small it may be. As always, remember to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.